the sun is shining, it's a Friday afternoon, and Andrew, where are we off to?
We're going to the Cotswolds.
Why?
Why not?
That's a good question.
Because the sun is shining.
The sun is shining. Where are we off to in the Cotswolds?
We are off to Pinnock CL.
Now, Pinnock Woods, we've been there multiple times over the years, haven't we? With, I think, 4 different vehicles.
Yeah, this is the 4th different vehicle we've been there, so we're going to confuse them. First time in Monty, though.
First time in Monty. So join with us and come and enjoy our
Where
weekend.
dreams take flight in our motorhome under stars so bright, with our dogs by our side in a world left to roam, finding adventure wherever we call home.
We go a different route, you know.
I know, every single time. I don't think we've ever come here on the same route. But here we are again anyway, on our own, once more. Hello there. Welcome. We're here, Pinnock Wood. Lovely sight, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful sight, and even better that there's no one else here.
Yet again, we are completely on our lonesome Todd. And I think
Get a bit of a complex.
I'm beginning to take it personally. Yeah, not a single van on site, but a glorious, glorious evening. So we're plugged in, we're set up, we've got the awning out, the deck chairs out, the table out, ready for the barbecue, and the beer's poured. Let's show you around. Are doing their job again, and this is the first time we've used the awning flare, isn't it?
Yeah, and actually, I can't believe how big it is.
It's
It's huge.
It's a huge awning. Yeah, and it goes fine out there, so that's nice. I have got a carpet I could put down on the floor as well, but didn't bother with that. But more importantly, these are our views. Look at that. Morning, another beautiful morning today. The sun's actually quite hot, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll have to take my jumper off in
And
a
I'm
minute.
steady on. We even debated shorts this morning, but because we're going down the lane, we thought not. So we're going to go for a walk with the dogs this morning.
Which is the beauty of Pinnock Wood, isn't it? You can walk directly from the site.
Directly from the site. So join us on that walk, and we'll show you our little route.
this is Cromwell's seat. Legend has it that Cromwell camped here, or may even have sat here while he watched Hales Abbey, which is just down in the valley, burn. Now, Hales Abbey is a National Trust place, so we can go and visit it with our passes. Hey!
They say you should always leave a site wanting more. And after this weekend, that's exactly how we're leaving. So here we are, pulling off Sunday morning on our way back home. But this time next year, our only decision will be not which way home we're going, but where should we go on to next.
Yeah, that's the first time we've been on a site and we've stayed and just walked from the site.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, we're normally on road tours all the time.
Yeah.
But it's really nice just to stop for a couple of days on the site.
But that's the beauty of this site, isn't it? We can do.
And what weather we've had though, Claire. Unbelievable, isn't it? Absolutely super.